Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about break at point command. Break command and break at point command both are just similar commands, but in break at point we have to just give one point, not 2 point. Okay, let's see how to do this. I will go into the modify panel. Okay, here you can see this is the option for break at point. Okay, so I will click to activate this one, and it is asking about select the object that you want to just break. So I will select this line, and then it is asking about specify first break point. So I will give the point, for example, it could be any point here. So I want to break from this point. Okay, I will give this point. Now you can see these lines are just divided into two segments. Okay, so in break at point we have to just mention only one point. Okay, for example, I want to just break from this point. I will go into the break at point. Okay, I will just activate this break at point. I will click on the object that I want to break, and then I will give this point. Okay, so this line is just divided into two parts. Now what if I just want to just break right below from this? Okay, so for example, what I will do, I will just activate this one. Okay, and I will give reference here. I will activate this one. I want to break this line, and then I will give reference here. Okay, I am just giving the reference to the AutoCAD that just break the line below this. Okay, below this. So I will give reference. Now you can see here it is going to break right under this. Okay, so this is how you can use as break at point. So this is very helpful command. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.